Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Rosanna. Here is what the living room used to look like. So you can see it had really old, outdated tile. We then replaced it with a gray LVP, and that just did not work out. We had that for a few years, and I think we just kind of fell into that whole gray trend, which lesson learned, very expensive one, but I wanted to go with something more in the warm colors. So we recently just upgraded these flooring. So here I'm just showing you what this is looking like. We did do this ourselves, so big huge thank you to my dad, who just was right along with me, right by my side, helping me do this. And so here's also what the little entertainment center looked like before. As you could see, there was nothing there, and eventually we got our TV hung up. So there's with that gray flooring, and then this is what it's somewhat looking like now. We installed cabinets ourselves, kind of to make it look like a built-in cabinet, and I am still missing the top portion. I'm trying to find something that fits the whole length and width without having to piece anything together. So that's kind of where it's at right now. Other than that, it pretty much is done except for that part. So that's just a little bit to catch you guys up to what it's looking like now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit of some decorating that I'm doing, some new changes that I've made as far as like furniture and things like that. I did get this new mirror, which looks so much better than the previous one. Don't mind the box here. I had a hard time unboxing it, and once I saw this, I was like, it looks like it got attacked by a shark or something. But this is what the mirror is looking like. It's a lot slimmer and longer, so it just fits the area that I'm going to be placing it in so much better. As some of you guys know, in one of my previous videos, that whole mirror situation was nothing but a headache. So I returned the previous one, and here's the newer one. So I am loving how it looks. I hope that you guys agree with me that the placement of it looks decent, I guess, or for the height that it's at. You guys will have to let me know your thoughts. Does it look better? Does the placement seem right? But enough about all that. Let's just jump into some decorating here. I started off with a wicker vase that I thrifted and painted. I did post that in a previous video. Kind of showed you guys how I made that over, because it was really, kind of had like a really orange color to it. So I painted it to be more of a brown, just toned that down. And then I added some stems that are from Target. Then to the other side, I added a candle holder that's from Hobby Lobby. And then the 3 candles that are inside of that are from Target. And then here I'm just trying to figure out this whole book situation. I ended up with 1 book and then these paper mache apples that I originally first saw Jenna from Jenna's Home post these a while back, maybe like early fall or something, and I absolutely love them. So I ordered those right away when she had posted that. And moving along to this other area, I'm just moving down this clock because I did notice, obviously with a lot of my stuff, people were saying that it was just hung up too high, and I agree 100%. So I'm lowering this this clock a little bit, and then right underneath that I am placing this little vintage table that I got on Marketplace recently, and I absolutely love it just because it brings in like a whole different feel. My husband kind of was like, it doesn't really go with what you're going for here, but I love it. So it's staying. I like the uniqueness of it, and it does look old, and I realize that some of my home decor, is a little bit newer, but I am trying to bring in the old with the new, just kind of make it feel like it's a home that's been lived in, and just bring in different elements and things like that. So I really love this little table here. A number of people were also saying how this arch cabinet needed to be moved, so I went ahead and replaced it with this faux tree that I got last year during the springtime from Target. It is from the Hearth and Hand line. I'm adding 2 accent swivel chairs that I got from the Walmart website, and I love how it just cozied up this little area here. I feel like it was missing something. I'm not sure if I want to add like a little table in between them, or if I should add like a little accent table kind of to that corner there and put a lamp on top. So I'm open to your guys' suggestions. I feel like this whole area is missing some sort of lighting. I just don't know where to place it. So as I'm taking you guys along, I'm not completely done with this area. I feel like it does have just a little bit more of things that needed to be added, but not too much more. Just kind of like the lighting, like I'm saying, and then finishing off the entertainment center. But other than that, I feel like maybe it's looking complete. And also I did move those pictures lower as well, and then a little bit closer together, because I did get some suggestions in one of my previous videos. Someone was saying that the pictures were too far apart. So I did a little bit of research on that too and moved them. I want to say now they're like 3.5 inches together or next to each other, separated. You guys know what I mean. So this wall though is just so huge. It's massive. And so I eventually think that I need to just get some art that is a lot bigger. But in the meantime, this is what I'm working with. This is what I have. So I'm just trying to make it work for now until I can find some bigger pieces that fit more of the aesthetic of what I'm going for. So I'm just going to wipe down this coffee table, give it a nice cleaning before I start decorating it. And I don't ever decorate my coffee table with too many things. I feel like I'm more of a minimalist when it comes to my coffee table. I'm placing this scallop rattan tray that I got on Amazon, followed by this pot that's from HOMEGOODS. One of my friends here on YouTube, I'm going to link her channel in the description. Her channel name is Beautiful Lady. She had shared it on her channel and I absolutely loved it. And I was like, I'm not sure if I'll ever find it if I go, because, you know, HOMEGOODS is hit or miss, but it was there, so I had to pick it up. So shout out to Beautiful Lady for sharing that beautiful find. And then to one of these little accent chairs, I am placing this throw blanket that I got from Target. And as a reminder, here's what it looked like before, and then I will show you what it looks like now.